Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website using AI. It's absolutely free and you need only 2 minutes. So after watching this video, you are able to create a website using AI in less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. First, I'm going on hocus.com, then click on the first link. So this link I already checked my video description for easy access. So you need to log in here with Gmail. So I already have an account. Hocus.com, so I need to just log in here. If you don't have account, just sign up with your Gmail. Once you have done log in here, then you can face this is interface. Now you need to choose which type of website you want to create right now. Example purpose, I want to create an online store, so I select second one. Then you need to choose a more specific. Example purpose, I want to create a restaurant, I want to create a barber shop, I want to sell product, I want to create anything, any blog here. Specific, you need to choose a specific category. So I want to create sports and fitness related website. Just click on sports and fitness, then sports narrations, sports show stores. So I want to create a only for sport shows store. Just click on continue. Now I choose show delivery, show exchange, and show fitting customization. So I select these three, or you can choose all. This is now tell us what you want to do your website. So I want to sell product, so just click on continue. Tell us where your business is physical based. So if you have a physical address, shop address, just select business address. If you don't have, choose online business only. So I need to choose a name. So example purpose, this is my branding name. Now select three highlights unique aspects. So I select affordable price, friendly service, those three. This is good. You can choose any others, this doesn't matter, as you like. So which method customer contact you? So I choose customer website from only. You can choose email, phone number, others too available. Now choose your website theme. So this is look like good compared to others too. If you choose any others, this is the same way. Now choose your color pattern. So I select default and again click on default. If you want to change it, this is possible. So wow, my website are 95% ready. So now I'm waiting few seconds for whole website creating. Wow, you can see already this AI tool create website. It's for me. You can see here is a lots of option, everything and anything customizable. You are able to customization here. So if you want to change logo, sale, product price, and this photo and this icon and this element, everything are customizable, changeable. So I skip all things for you can see this video I created for only example purpose. So if you need to more specific video that how to optimize and how to change those type of website footer and header, color, pattern, everything, please comment below. I will create another video. So you can see this website give me a custom domain for me. It's absolutely for free. You can copy this link and then share anywhere, your friends, uncle, brother, and anywhere. Hey, I have a website. You can see you are invited to visit my website. So I think everybody come here, then visit your website. Just click on view website. So I want to see how website are going. Wow, you can see this is a gorgeous and really good website. If you create this website using a freelancer from Upwork and Fiverr, you need minimum $50 for those things, but I will show you everything for free how to create this website. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.